Hello students, in this video we will study about the division of the decimal numbers. Here how we will do the division part. The question says compute the following divisions. The first question that I have taken here is 59.049 divided by 9. So first of all, whenever we start dividing, we will first put the number that is to be divided in division sign and the number, the divisor outside. Now we know how to divide. First of all, we'll check whether the first number is divisible by 9 or not. It's smaller than it. I will take 59 as we know 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. I will take the number as 54. Now the answer is 5. And there is a decimal point. I will put a decimal here and carry 0. Then now the term that will divide 50 will be up to 5 because 9 5 45, again 5, then I will carry 54. Now I know 6 into 9 is 54 and hence 0, then again 9 and 9 into 1 is 9 and hence it is solved. Now I can see the answer that comes out to be, after dividing 59.049 divided by 9 is equal to 6.561. Let's suppose the question here is 0.02472 divided by 0.008. If the number is big here like this, so and there is a decimal place in the divisor also as in dividend also, what we can do, we can first cancel out the decimal terms if we want. As I know, I can write like this: 0.02472 can be written as 2472 upon 1 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros, and 0.008 can be written as 8 upon 1 2 3, 3 zeros. And I know these two terms are dividing each other, so can I write like this, that 24, or I can write first 0.0247 upon 0.008. Then I can write in an elaborated form 2472 upon 10000, as it is dividing with it, so it will be upon, and I will reciprocate the term and it will be 1000 upon 8 by taking the reciprocal of the term. Now I can see that some terms are cancelling out. 3 zeros will cancel 3 zeros. If I want, I can further cancel it out. If I want to cancel here also, if I want to apply the division method, I can apply the division method. I will show you the both methods. If you want to divide like this can be also done, or you can first write it like this. Here 2472 upon 100, and it is dividing by 8. So 24.72 divides by 8. Now you can do the division method, or you can directly cancel the terms here also. Now I am performing the proper division method so that it will be easier for me to divide. So I am taking the division term 24.72 into 8. Then I know 8 3 24 0, then decimal point, then 7. I know 7 is smaller than 8, then I will take the number with 0, again it will come 7, and again I will take 0 here for this. 8 0 0, then answer is 7, then again I will put 72 and I know 8 into 9 is 72. So 8 into 9, 72, and it's the answer. So it is easier for us to find like this than to cancel out. Better methods, both methods are okay. You can cancel out the terms also, or you can find the answer like this also. So if I will find it by cancelling out, then I can also get the answer here is 309. Then I will get the same answer, that is, if I will cancel out on 1 with this, I will again get the answer 3.09. This is also correct, but if you want to show the full division method, you can do it like this, and hence the answer for dividing 24.72 divided by 8 is equal to 3.09. Now here the question here says to simplify 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 8.1 into 2.7 divided by 0.09. I know that if we want to solve such complex question, I have to follow the BODMAS rule, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now first of all, I will see if there is any bracket here. I can see that this term is in bracket. So I will first solve 8.1 into 2.7. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus, I will then solve the answer can I find in rough also if you want to. So 81 into 27, let us find out the answer. 7, 56, 0, 2, 8 or 16, then 7, 8, 1, 2. Now 1, 6, 2, 0, 5, 6, 7, and when we add, I will get the answer 2187. Now I will put the decimal point, that will be here. As it is 8.1, this is 2.7, and it will be 21.87. The answer is 21.87 divided by 0.09. Now the next term will be to divide. So I am taking it like this: 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. I have to divide these two terms. I can divide in my rough. If you want, you can just separate the parts and can divide. 21.87 divided by 0.09. So I am first want to remove the decimals. Divided by 9 upon 100. I can write like this. Then I will reciprocate the number. If I want, I can directly cancel out from here, or I can use the division sign. I am trying to directly cancel out from here. So 9 with 21, 2187. It will go on first 2, then 3 will be the remainder. 3, 8, 38, 4, 36, 2, 27. Then again it will go on 3. So the term here is 243. So the answer for this is 243. I can easily find out the answer now. Now my answer for the solving of this part is 243. Now my next step is to first add. Then I will add minus 1 by 4 with 243. So first of all, I have to take the LCM. The 2 by 5 minus 4 will be the LCM, minus 1, or I can write like this, plus minus 1 if I want. Then plus 4 into 243 after taking the LCM. Now the next step, 2 by 5 plus minus 1 plus 972 upon 4. So the answer is 2 by 5 plus 971 upon 4. Again, now I have to take the LCM. So 5 and 4 LCM will be 20. 2, 4, 8. It will be 5. 7, 5, 35. 3 carry up. 5, 9, 45. 48. 4, 8, 8, 5, 5. And after adding the two terms, I will have the answer 8 and 5. So it will be 4863 upon 20. And this is the answer of my simplification. I will apply my BODMAS rule here. Then first I will solve the bracket. Then I solve division. Then after that I solve the addition term because there is no multiplication term. Then I solve the subtraction or addition term. As the subtraction also got into addition because 972 was bigger than -1, so the term got positive, and hence the answer is 4863 by 20. I hope you will all be able to solve the questions similar to that given in your worksheet. Thank you.